Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and hide any app from your home screen or anywhere else on your iPhone that you can see an app icon using iOS 18. So if you want to hide an app, it's very simple. You simply long press on the app that you want to hide and you're going to see a pop-up that says require Face ID. Now, if you don't have Face ID installed or set up on your phone, that is okay. You simply tap on require Face ID and it will allow you to also put in a password if Face ID is not available. So then on the next screen, you would put hide and require Face ID. And then you can see if I don't have Face ID, the prompt comes up for entering a passcode. I will go ahead and just put my passcode for my device. And then you're going to see the pop-up that says hide app here. You tap the blue button and your app is hidden. And then moving forward, you can unhide it by going over here to the app library and then going down to that hidden folder. Hopefully that helps you guys out. If so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.